Okay, so from what we just did from the last two videos, the part that we should also concentrate on is where we find the subsidy, and they've said the subsidy imposed is a 5 quart. Now, when a subsidy is imposed, you must know that your quantity demanded must go high. If they impose a subsidy and your quantity demanded goes down as the quantity demanded that we got before the subsidy, then you are wrong. There's something wrong there. So your price must go down after a subsidy, then your quantity must go high. So the subsidy of 5 kwacha has been imposed. So what we're going to do, we're going to manipulate our supply function, which is 3 over 100 q plus 15. And we are saying, remember the first video I said, the price, we want the price to go down, right? So what we shall do is, our new supply function will be 15 minus 5. And our new will be 3 over 100 q plus 10. So this will become our new, and that's what we'll use to substitute. So let's find our new price and quantity after subsidy. So we've said our new is now 100 q plus 10, and our demand function is not manipulated, just remains the same, plus 50. Okay, so we're still going to have a supply function is equal to our demand function, and now we are saying, since we are saying okay is equal to that, so we are going to say plus 10 is equal to negative 7 over 100 q plus 50. So when you substitute everything like we did in the other video, you must have your quantity as 400 and price must be 22 kwacha. So when you do the substitution, this should be your answer. So now if you observe, our quantity has moved from 350 to 400, and our price has moved from 25.5, if not mistaken, to 22. Okay, now if they say let's represent this on an already existing graph, okay, an already existing graph. Okay, so remember that our already existing graph had something like is our quantity, this is our price, 0, this is 50, and this is about 1000 over 7, which is the one that we got, 1000 over 7. This is what is here. Then we had our demand function is not manipulated by anything, so it remains constant. Our demand function remains constant. So now from our new supply function, which is this one, over q plus 10. So where there's q, just put 0. So which means at first we had our okay, let's just write, we have 350 there, and we had 25.5, and we had there, remember that. So, and here we had 15, but in this case now our curve has changed, in that if we put 0 here, our price will be 10. So we have our 10 now.
Get 7. Challenge also clear.
Okay, so remember that also just a minute there, I've made a little bit of mistake. So now we are saying our price is now 10. Okay, so now that our price is 10, remember that this price has the supply curve has been manipulated. So this is a supply curve 1, so we're going to have a supply curve 2. But remember that our quantity has moved from 350 to 400 as our equilibrium, new equilibrium. Then our new equilibrium price is now 20. Don't forget that. And we have 10, which we have calculated from our supply function. So what we're going to do here is that we're just going to draw our new supply curve. So, and we shall name it PS2. So you have shown that on a graph. Okay, you've shown the effect of subsidy on the graph. So I hope this will help you, but I'll also do another video where we shall do this demand and supply tax, and we shall also look at elasticity in one question, and the tax distribution. So for now, let's have that.